If I told you there's one food that contains almost every nutrient your body needs, and it's inexpensive and delicious, would you believe me? It's not some exotic superfood or lab-created supplement. It's eggs. Yes, just humble, everyday eggs. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today we're diving into the science behind why eggs are one of the most complete foods on the planet. We'll explore what makes eggs so nutritionally special, what are their health benefits, and bust a few myths, especially around cholesterol. So, let's crack it open. A whole egg consists of egg white, which is rich in protein, low in fat, and almost zero carbs. And the egg yolk, where all the nutrients like fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are found. When combined, a single large egg, about 50 grams, gives you 6.3 grams of protein with all 9 essential amino acids, 5 grams of mostly healthy fats, less than 1 gram of carbohydrates, and 0 sugar. But that's just the start. Here's a list of essential nutrients you get in just one large egg. First up, protein. Eggs are considered the gold standard of protein, scoring 100 on the biological value scale. No other single food provides such a dense package of nutrients for such few calories. Next, vitamin A, which supports your vision and immune system. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, which is critical for bones and immunity. Vitamin B12 in eggs supports red blood cells and brain health. A single egg also provides you with minerals like iron, especially heme iron, which is better absorbed than plant-based iron, phosphorus for healthy bones and teeth, and important minerals like selenium and zinc. Eggs are rich in choline, crucial for brain function, memory, and fetal development. One egg provides about 147 milligrams of choline, more than 25% of the RDI. Eggs also give you vitamin E, riboflavin, folate, pantothenic acid, B5, and biotin, B7. Let's look at what science says about how eggs benefit your body and why you should eat them every day. Eggs support our brain health. Thanks to choline and omega-3s, eggs support neurotransmitter synthesis, memory, and cognitive performance. That's why eggs are essential for pregnant women for fetal brain development. Vitamin D and phosphorus in eggs help maintain strong bones and teeth, making eggs a good support food for osteoporosis prevention. Contrary to past beliefs, moderate egg consumption doesn't increase heart disease risk for healthy individuals. Studies show that HDL, or good cholesterol, often goes up with regular egg consumption. Egg yolks are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes against macular degeneration and cataracts. Egg protein boosts muscle protein synthesis. It's also very satiating, keeping you full longer, aiding in weight management. That's why you'll find eggs in nearly every athlete's breakfast plate. Eggs also support metabolism and skin health, thanks to B vitamins, especially biotin and riboflavin, which promote energy production and skin repair. But what about cholesterol? Let's clear this up. Yes, eggs contain about 186 milligrams of cholesterol, all in the yolk. But here's the twist. In most people, dietary cholesterol has little effect on blood cholesterol. The liver adjusts by producing less cholesterol when you consume more. According to Harvard and the American Heart Association, 1 to 2 eggs per day is safe for most healthy individuals. Unless you have a rare genetic condition like familial hypercholesterolemia or existing heart disease, eggs are not your enemy. For max nutrition and minimal calories, boiled or poached retains nutrients, no added fat. Scrambled with veggies adds fiber and antioxidants. Omelette with olive oil and greens is a nutrient-dense option. Avoid deep frying or pairing with heavily processed meats too often. People with certain genetic cholesterol disorders should limit egg yolks. Those allergic to eggs, more common in children, must avoid them entirely. Raw eggs? Not recommended due to salmonella risk and poor biotin absorption. When in doubt, always consult your doctor or nutritionist. In the world of nutrition, there are few perfect foods, but eggs come pretty close. They're nature's multivitamin in a shell, packed with protein, loaded with nutrients, and versatile enough to fit into almost any diet. Got questions about eggs or other superfoods? Drop them in the comments. We reply to all. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. And remember, eat smart, live strong. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.